Happy International Reggae Day! The annual celebrations went underway with the theme I Love. And celebrating the local International Reggae Day, IRD, organizers held a virtual 24-hour One Love rally, which included previously recorded performances, endorsements by Cedella Marley and Rita Marley, and panel discussions around love.
I hope that International Reggae Day does become that rallying day of solidarity, consciousness, love, self-love, as Dr. Garvey said before. Because if we don't love ourselves, it's useless. So let's aim for a day that really brings us all together in a spirit of oneness and in the spirit of one love. That's the revolution. In
one of the discussions this afternoon, Bob Marley's granddaughter Danisha Prendergrass spoke on Marley's song, Could This Be Love?
I say more justice. As we pursue this concept of one love, let us pursue more justice and building justice at the base and as the framework and as the continued context of this idea of one love.
Dr. Garvey, father of the late Marcus Garvey, also spoke to the love of self.
People have to be, if you will, educated in terms of what love really is. And love comes from the heart. Love is who you are. And that's what Bob is saying when he says, can you be loved? You see? And that comes from, if you can love yourself, then you can be loved.
According to the local IRD organizer, as the world continues to battle the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic and other global issues, the power of love is essential to healing. IRD started locally back in 1994. Taurus Riley today officially released Heartbreak Anniversary was produced by Kareem Burrell and Dean Fraser for XTM Nation. Taurus Riley spoke to E-Prime on what pulled him to do the cover for the track.
Since the whole quarantine and COVID and the whole vibes, my pen has really been on fire. I've been writing a lot of music and recording a lot of music. And when I heard this song, as a man who writes song, I said, what is a great song? And I really and truly did it for fun, you know. I wanted to hear it like in a reggae style. I mean, my family deal with it. XTM, Canon, Productions. So that even make it more special. Just being in the studio with my brethren and family working together to give you, you know, a reggae version of a real great love song.
Taurus is also set to drop the video for the song this Friday. I'm Daedron reporting for E-Prime.